if you're launching a digital product business, where you sell can be just as crucial as what you sell. And the right platform can literally mean the difference between making thousands in sales and literally nothing. So, there's a ton of places for you to sell your products, but today I will be breaking down the top 5 best platforms to use for starting out, and I'll also talk about what they're best for and key factors to consider when actually making that choice. So, without further ado, first up we have Gumroad, which is a beginner favorite platform that's also very popular among creators of all kinds, from authors, musicians, to designers, and even software developers. And besides looking very colorful and stylized, Gumroad's dashboard is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to upload digital products in just a few simple clicks. And whether you're selling ebooks, music files, or memberships, Gumroad's interface handles it really smoothly and makes everything super straightforward. But one of the best things about Gumroad is its capability to let customers pay what they want, with you being able to set the minimum price amount, which is a really great feature when starting out. Plus, there's a really supportive community of Gumroad creators who share tips on pricing, promotion, and growth, making it such a popular choice for those just entering the market. But on the flip side of things, transaction fees do apply, and while they may seem really small at first, they can really add up when you start charging more for premium products. And as you can see, they take a bigger bite of your sales if your item is discovered on their marketplace. So if you want to have a better rate, I advise you to promote your product in other ways, like for example email marketing or social media. Also, Gumroad has a fairly minimal storefront customization feature, so it's great for getting started really fast. However, if you prefer a heavily branded experience, you may find it a bit limiting. Okay guys, now moving on. If you prefer to tap into an existing audience without actually building everything from absolute scratch, Etsy remains a powerhouse that's definitely worth considering. And although it is best known for handmade crafts, Etsy actually also hosts a thriving community of digital creators who sell anything from printable planners, art templates, and other downloadable goodies. Just look at all of this cool stuff. And the big advantage here is Etsy's sheer popularity, as millions of shoppers visit this platform daily, basically meaning your products can be found if you optimize your listings with strategic keywords. Now, you can build trust quickly because many customers already feel really comfortable buying on Etsy, hence its really big popularity. That being said, however, competition there can be really fierce, especially for trending digital assets like wedding invitations or journaling templates or other stuff like that. Hence the need for strategic keyword planning, as I mentioned earlier. Plus, you need to consider the listing fees along with the percentage of each sale, which can put a really reasonable dent in your profits if you're not factoring those costs into your pricing strategy. Okay, now this next platform that I'm going to talk about is super popular among social media creators, and that is Stan Store. Its premise is really simple. Basically, you pay a monthly subscription that starts at around $29 per month, and you can set up a customizable storefront that integrates seamlessly with your link in bio on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. And this makes it super easy for your followers to buy whatever you're selling, whether that's digital files, consultations, or affiliate offers. And the lack of a huge built-in marketplace means that you will rely on your own audience for traffic, but the streamlined funnel from follow to purchase is a pretty big draw, guys. And also, the e-commerce functionalities and customization features are quite limited here, so just keep that in mind if you're thinking of scaling your business further. So, if you're consistently creating content and nurturing a following, Stan Store offers a really straightforward way to convert viewers into paying customers without tons of extra fees. And now another contender that caters to digital product entrepreneurs looking for a really straightforward setup is PayHip. With it, you can create a really simple storefront, then enable PayPal or Stripe for payments, and just start listing your digital files within literally minutes. It's really great for all sorts of digital products like online courses and memberships, and it has a really nice choice of marketing features like coupons, referral discounts, and even an affiliate system. But PayHip's claim to fame is its flexibility in pricing plans. Some come with even a 0% transaction fee if you opt for a monthly plan, although a free plan with a small commission also exists for newcomers. But a really neat feature is its ability to handle VAT and even let customers choose the pay what you want if you'd like to really experiment with your price points. But on the downside, PayHip doesn't really have the large built-in marketplace audience that platforms like Etsy or Gumroad do have that I talked about earlier, so you'll still really need a plan to direct potential buyers to your storefront. But if you're really set on a quick, user-friendly interface with minimal overhead, it's certainly worth taking a look at this. And finally, guys, the last platform that I really want to talk about is actually selling your digital product on your very own website. And if you create your online store, your website with Hostinger's AI Website Builder, you can get a fully functional online store up and running in literally minutes. And here is the kicker. Unlike most of the platforms I've mentioned before today, you don't have to pay any transaction fees at all. That means every time you sell a digital product, or any type of product for that matter, you keep every single penny you earn, and all of that for just $3.49 per month. How about that? And even if you've never ever before in your life built a website, don't you worry, because the AI Website Builder makes it incredibly easy to do so. All you have to do is just describe your ideal website and the AI will generate a design for you. Then all you have to do is just fine-tune the design with a really simple drag and drop editor, and that's it. This approach actually gives you the most control over your branding, your customer experience, and your long-term business strategy. And you have the freedom to tailor the checkout process as well, and also collect customer data directly, and also run specialized marketing campaigns just as you wish. Of course, the biggest drawback with your own website is that you will need to drive all the traffic yourself, unlike marketplaces such as Etsy and Gumroad that I mentioned before in the video, where buyers are already searching for products just like yours. A standalone site means you're responsible for bringing in every single visitor, so you'll need to really utilize marketing strategies like social media, content marketing, or paid ads. But the long-term benefits of owning your platform and keeping all your profits are well worth it, and this option is also an obvious choice for those who already have a solid online presence. And we actually offer a free trial for the website builder, so if you want to try it out, just click the link down below in the description. And if you actually decide to seal the deal and grab a hosting plan, make sure to use our coupon code WB10 for an extra 10% off your final price. Alright, so after covering all of these platforms, it kind of all boils down to this. If you don't mind trading a slice of your earnings for massive marketplace exposure, then Gumroad or Etsy are solid picks for you. Now, PayHip's free plan with small transaction fees is ideal if you're unsure about sales volume or need a platform that supports online courses and coaching with some really handy marketing tools. Then Stan Store is a no-brainer if you already have a social media following ready to buy, though it may feel less scalable over time. Just a tip here. And for anyone who wants to keep every single cent of the revenue and maintain total control at the cost of generating your own traffic, that is, building your site with Hostinger's Website Builder offers the best long-term growth potential. So each option really does have its perks and its pitfalls, so just weigh your priorities well. And also keep in mind ease of use, fees, audience size, and creative control, and then just pick the platform that lines up best with your vision for a successful digital business. And also, I would really love to hear your thoughts about these platforms. Did you already make a choice where you're gonna sell your products? Do you have some more questions maybe? Let's just start a real good discussion down below in the comments. And also, if you like this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And if you're leaning towards building your own website, like I mentioned before, to sell your digital products, definitely watch this video next, where we teach you everything you need to know from creating a website to effectively marketing your digital products. Now, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.